Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, counting till sunrise, or not having good quality sleep, only to greet the new day feeling more like a zombie than a human? Poor sleep isn't just ruining nights, it's stealing days, crushing focus, and dimming energy. But don't worry, tonight we're flipping the script on sleeplessness. Let's discuss about sleep hygiene, secrets to supercharge sleep, consistent schedule. Train your body's clock. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, even weekends. Don't change your already planned daytime activities because you could not sleep last night. This sets your inner clock, making quality sleep come more naturally. Also, only go to bed when truly sleepy. And if you can't fall asleep within 20 minutes, get up and do something calming until you feel sleepy before trying again. Powerful pre-bed routine. An hour before sleep, switch to silence. Read a book, sip herbal tea, meditate, or do light stretches. Develop rituals like breathing exercises or a warm bath 1-2 hours before bed, which helps body temperature drop naturally to induce sleep. Avoid bright screens, caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol for at least 4-6 hours before bedtime. Most importantly, do not drink alcohol to get sleep, as it can gradually lead to dependence and loss of health eventually. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Turn your space into a cave, cool, around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow. Block light with curtains or an eye mask, and reduce noise with earplugs if needed. Use your bed only for sleep and intimacy. Train your body to associate it with rest. Mind what you munch and sip. Heavy meals interfere with sleep, but a light snack or a warm glass of milk can help. Stay hydrated but not overloaded with fluids before bed. Get sunlight and stay active. Exposure to natural daylight helps regulate your body's internal clock. Regular exercise promotes better sleep, but avoid intense activity within 4 hours of bedtime. Morning walks are especially refreshing. Napping wisely. Avoid long or late naps as they can disturb your sleep cycle. If absolutely necessary, nap less than 30-60 minutes and before 3 p.m. Master your mind. Quiet your thoughts with mindfulness, journaling, or relaxation techniques. If you find yourself worrying, try writing things down before bed. Avoid clock watching. It fuels anxiety and makes it harder to fall back asleep. Now coming to, how much sleep do you really need? CDC guidelines. According to the CDC, here's how much sleep different age groups need each night. School-age children, 6-12 years, 9-12 hours. Teenagers, 13-17 years, 8-10 hours. Adults, 18 years and more, 7 or more hours. Still confused whether you are sleeping properly or not? You can try maintaining sleep diary. Take a look here and you can download it from the description. Let's walk through how to use your sleep diary for insight and transformation. 1. What is a sleep diary and why keep one? A sleep diary is a daily log where you track exactly what's happening with your sleep. By writing down the key details every morning, you'll spot patterns and triggers that can help you understand what's really going on with your sleep. Think of it as a detective's notebook for your nights. The more details, the more clues. 2. Understanding each section of your diary. Here's a quick tour of what you'll fill out each day. Date, the night you're recording. When did you go to bed? T1. The exact clock time you got into bed. When did you get sleep? T2. When you actually fell asleep. Sleep latency, SL. How long it took you to fall asleep, from T1 to T2. Number of awakenings and duration. Note every time you woke up, how many times and for how long. Wake after sleep onset, WASO. Total minutes spent awake after falling asleep and before final awakening. Total time in bed, TIB, from getting into bed to your final awakening. Total sleep time, TST, how much time you actually slept, calculated as TIB minus SL and WASO. Sleep efficiency, SE, TST divided by TIB as a percentage, a measure of how much of your bedtime is spent actually asleep. Nap in daytime. Note how many naps you took, what times, and how long. 3. How to use it, tips for success. Be honest, but don't obsess. Quick notes are fine, no need for perfection. Fill it in each morning. Your memory of the night is freshest as soon as you wake up. Use it for 2 weeks minimum. Patterns are most helpful when you have a little data. Tried these tips and still struggling after a few weeks? If insomnia lasts over a month, or if it's affecting your daily life, such as constant tiredness, mood swings, trouble at work, or even nodding off while driving, seek professional help. Remember, great days start with great nights. Prioritize your sleep and practice these habits daily. Good sleep isn't a luxury. It's the fuel your brain and body need to thrive. So tonight, choose rest. Because when you sleep better, you live better.